What is going on, folks? It is Rigor Mortis. We are back with yet another video, and today we are talking about Shiba Inu. Folks, the market is trending sideways on the day, but nonetheless, there is a very important topic that I wanted to talk to you guys about in today's video. The fact of the matter is we are seeing very big Ethereum whales rotating their way into Shiba Inu. And the question arises, why are they going into Shiba Inu? You guys know I love following the big money. And right now, all eyes are on SHIB, and people are expecting SHIB to make some very big moves, and I think there are a few reasons for that, and that's exactly what we are going to discuss in today's video. If you guys are new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, join the family, throw a like on this video as it really helps the algorithm get it out to more people, and comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions about all things Shiba Inu. Let's go ahead and jump right in. We will touch base on the price action on the day. It looks like we've been bouncing up and down all over the place, but if you look at the range of numbers that we've been trading in, it's a very tight range. Ethereum has practically been doing the exact same thing. We will touch base on that at the end of this video, so make sure you stick around. The Motley Fool has said, why are Ethereum whales buying Shiba Inu? The first reason they cite, Ethereum whales could be attracted by Shiba Inu's more attractive price after the token fell over 70%. Now, you guys know what it is around here, always keeping it a stack. We have fallen quite a ways from our all-time highs, but this chart, what's happening right now and the stability that we're seeing, it is very reminiscent of what we saw back in March and April and May. Take a look at this. We're pretty much riding flat, had a little bump in the price in April, and boom, we saw the peak back in May. And then we rode flat for a couple of months. And then October rolled around and boom, we had a little bit of a bump and then a big price jump there after that. Now, if you go back and take a look at my videos from these months, there just wasn't a lot going on. But I knew there was a lot in the pipeline, and I knew that the market was eventually going to catch up and we were going to see a bump in the price. I don't think it's going to take this many months again. I think what we're going to see here is something that's a lot more accelerated, but I do appreciate and I love the fact that we are riding flat here. The curve looks pretty flat, the graph looks pretty flat over the course of the past week or so. So I like what I'm seeing here because it's reminiscent of what we saw back here. So as all the pieces fall into place, I think we are going to see a big bump in the price in the very near future. Doesn't mean that it's going to happen 100%, but nonetheless, I do expect green days in the future. Number two, big investors could also expect wider adoption of Shiba Inu in the near future. Now, this point I really like because yes, we had a lot of people talking about Shiba Inu back here, but not nearly as many as how many are talking about it now. Everybody is talking about Shiba Inu, and something that you guys have to keep in mind, and a reason why I think SHIB is very, very special. At first, this thing was a meme token, just like Doge, practically no utility, just made for the sake of the memes. And there's nothing wrong with that. The meme market is doing very well right now. It's very strong. But the fact of the matter is Shiba Inu is different, guys. Shiba Inu has transformed from that meme token tag, that meme token title, to something completely new, a thriving ecosystem. And I think people are starting to recognize that. If I were to sit here across from somebody and say, hey, this meme token Shiba Inu has almost a $12 billion market cap, got upwards of 20 billion at one point, somebody would laugh in my face. And I wouldn't blame them because I'd say, yeah, it's like a Doge number 2. It might be doing slightly better than Doge, but it's like a Doge number 2. But Shiba Inu isn't that anymore. It's just simply not a meme token anymore. And once people start recognizing that, I think we could see price jumps as steep as this once again. Because people are going to start noticing like, whoa, Shiba Inu actually means business. They have a layer 2 solution coming out. What meme token does that? They have a two full-fledged games coming out. I mean, come on. What meme token does that? A swap that has a version 2 coming out, an NFT marketplace. The list goes on and on. So that's what I'm starting to see, is that people are recognizing Shiba Inu for what it is. Number 3, they cited here, Shiba Inu's Metaverse opportunity could be an additional draw for whales. Of course, everybody's talking about the Metaverse. Before we get into this last point, I gotta give a huge shout out to Webull, folks. If you guys don't know, I am a Webull affiliate. My link is going to be in the description below and also pinned up at the top of the comments. When you use my affiliate link, open up a brokerage account with Webull, you are going to get 3 free stocks guaranteed after you deposit just 1 cent, folks. 1 penny is all they are asking for. You make that deposit, you are going to get 3 free stocks guaranteed, absolutely no questions asked. That affiliate link is going to be in the description below and also pinned up at the top of the comments. And keep in mind, you can now trade Shiba Inu on Webull. So number 3, the Metaverse. The Metaverse is the future industry, guys. Everybody is practically foaming at the mouth when it comes to the Metaverse. You see the NFTs. You see how Ethereum, a lot more people are talking about it now because those are all linked to the Metaverse. Every major company right now is talking about their Metaverse. So Shiba Inu is no different. The fact of the matter is we're getting involved. The team is getting involved when it comes to the Metaverse. And I think that's going to drastically change the game because people are going to start looking at SHIB not only for all those other things that we have in the pipeline, but also as a potential Metaverse play. So that's the roadmap, guys. That's what we have in the pipeline. And if that doesn't get you excited, I have no idea what will. But there is something that we have to keep in mind, and this is what keeps me up at night. I look at the cryptocurrency market, I look at Ethereum on the day, and there's just always something in the back of my mind that makes me ever so slightly worried. You look at Shiba Inu. We're moving so closely with Ethereum now, folks. If I were to get rid of these numbers on the side here on the y-axis and did the same thing for ETH, you wouldn't be able to tell me which one was which. And that's what scares me. And at the same time, it's also a big blessing. We have now cemented ourselves in the broader space. But with great power comes great responsibility. If the cryptocurrency market were to turn bear, I don't think it's going to happen. There's so many more reasons to be bullish. But if we're talking short term, yeah, increasing interest rates, trying to decrease inflation, the Fed selling off their balance sheet, there are a couple of reasons why we might see a little bit of pain in these next couple of months. Not saying it's going to last long, but if that does happen, even with all the good things we have in our pipeline, we might do well. But you guys know what it is with Shiba Inu. We want to do amazing. We want to crush expectations. We want to see price jumps like this. That might not be so feasible if we see Ethereum drop down well below 2K, a Bitcoin well below 30K, and those things are on the table depending on what the Federal Reserve wants to do. So keep these things in the back of your mind, folks, because all of these good things coming for SHIB, I absolutely love it. But the fact is, we are moving closely with the broader market. I showed you guys the 1 month chart in my other video. I mean, look at this. Here's the 1 month chart for Shiba Inu. Look at the 1 month chart for ETH. It's practically copy paste the exact same thing. I mean, almost identical. Yeah, you know, a couple of differences here and there, but they're very, very close. And that's something we have to keep in mind now, folks, is that we are moving with the broader space, and that has a ton of implications in terms of price action. So keep that in mind. That is all I have for you guys in today's video. As always, folks, I'm by no means a financial advisor. I'm just here to put you guys on plays that I am in, but please go out and do your own research before investing in anything I talk about on my channel, as these videos are for entertainment and educational purposes only. Thank you guys so much for watching all the way to the end of the video. It's been your boy Rigor Mortis. I am out the scene, folks. Peace out.